Hello, good evening. My name is Abdullah Unisabi from datarelay.com. I am here this evening to explain or to show you how to use the newly employed bot to buy data directly from your account without logging into your datarelay.com account. All you need to do is just go directly to your WhatsApp. So if you don't have the number before, this is the number showing on your screen here. So you can see it from the group. It is this number 08067657841. Just chat the number up. You can just say I. And for you, if you want to go directly without saying I, you can still go directly by saying send. Just command the bot by saying send. Then you enter the network. Let me just say MTN 1 gigabyte, for example, 1 gigabyte data. To then you enter the number you want to send the 1 gigabyte to. The number, let me just use 08108126121. Then the next thing is entering your username or your email, but advisably I will advise to use email always, because some users are having two, or let me just say, spaced username. Like for example, someone are using Adewale, Adeleke, for example, having space in between as username. But if you know your username is just one word, for example, let me just say Honeyboy, for example, we have some username that only one word, they are not two words. You can just use your username, but advisably just use an email. Let me just say, for me, I can just use a username. You can use your email. My own will be testing. I'm just using this one for a test account. Then you enter colon. Don't forget this colon, please. It's very, very important. Enter this colon, then you enter the password. My own password for this account is still password. Sorry. Don't get confused with this one. My own password for this account, the testing account here, is password. So don't get confused with that one. You have to enter your own username here, and you enter your own password here as well. So after that, you can just send it to the bot, and once the bot receives the message, the bot will immediately process your request if your details are correct. Only if your details are correct. Now let's send this one and see the reply. Let's wait for the bot to process the request for us. So let's wait for some seconds. The bot should return a response. Should see a response. Let's see. And for example, maybe you are trying to send message. Let me just copy this one again. Now I can see a message says successful, saying the username is testing. Dear customer, you have successfully shared 1 gigabyte data to so number. Then you can see the message coming in. You have received 1 gigabyte data from so number. So your SME data balance is now 6 terabytes, expires and so on. Then you can see the previous balance, you can see balance after, you can see the amount charged, so and so on, like that. So for example, maybe you are not trying to send, maybe you are entering the wrong password. For example, maybe I'm just entering pass for this one now. If I send it, you see you getting a response that the either invalid credentials, so saying you're entering the wrong credentials. You have the email saying the password, then your password as pass, saying you are entering the wrong password. You won't be able to buy if you don't. Firstly, if you don't have an account with us, you won't be able to use the bot. And secondly, if you are entering the wrong details, or you are not putting the colon. I said whenever you want to enter your password, your username here and your password here, you have to be very careful. Make sure you are putting the colon in between here for it to work very well. So those are the things you have to know, and this thing is very useful when you have when you're out of data and you have some WhatsApp data, or sometimes MTN used to send message on WhatsApp for you free. Sometimes when you send message on WhatsApp, something like that, you can easily use the opportunity and send the message to the bot for it to be processed for you, and so on, something like that. So I hope this help you a lot, and you would like to hear your own comments on this the newly method or the new bot employed. So please let me know your comments below this video. Thanks.